Welcome back everybody. Oxygen OS Open Beta 12, alright?
Guys, VSD here, welcome back to the video. That's Inception. Remember when some weeks ago OnePlus released the latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 12 and they had some new features there, but remember that there was also the situation that some people, I'm not saying all, but some people after installing the latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 12 got a problem that after logging in they were not able to unlock the phone and boom, everything was gone. Again, I'm saying not everybody was getting it, but some people was getting it, and then we kind of like the solution that we found is that you need to remove all the screen locks, pins, patterns, you name it, remove all the fingerprints, not needed but just in case, and then install it, and then you had Open Beta 12, although we know that OnePlus suspended it. Today, boom, we're getting the Oxygen OS Open Beta 13, and for some strange reason I'm not getting this on my device like OTA, but yeah, use Oxygen Updater, you can check my video there. Now guys, just see the changelogs. I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit. This is here the changelog from OS Oxygen Open Beta 12, and this guys here is the changelog from Oxygen OS Open Beta 13, and yes, as you might have noticed, they're absolutely the same. But I'm doing all these updates since I think Oxygen OS Open Beta 4 when I get the phone, and I'm installing this straight on my phone. So yeah, if you want to do this right now, it's the safest way to do it. Let's see, and let's hope that there are not any problems. I will not remove anything from here, my fingerprints, whatever. So guys, let's just go straight away here. And then we go to System, and then we go to System Updates, and then we go here and we choose Local Upgrade. Alright, today is the 7th of May, so okay, it's Oxygen OS Open Beta 13. Let's try to install it now, alright? And guys, I'm gonna put the phone here while we're waiting, because we kind of know that this is where the magic happens. So probably I'm going to just speed it up a little bit, and we're gonna be back here when everything is working properly. Hopefully, hopefully. Guys, again, just a disclaimer, beta software means that you get the latest features, yeah, but you get also the latest bugs. Boo! But okay, that's a trade-off. There is not like a win-win situation. You have to give something to take to get something. So if you want to use better software, no matter if you're running the OnePlus 7 Pro or the whatever Xiaomi phone or any other phone, even if you have the iPhone with the iOS, they also get better updates. Have in mind, you're gonna get all the new features, right? Probably earlier than everybody else, but then that's why it's called beta or beta, okay? But I know that you're smarter than me and that you know this already, guys. So let's see how this works. And then again, I just wanted to show you that the Oxygen OS Open Beta 13 pretty much has the same changelog as the Oxygen OS Open Beta 12. So if you are already on Oxygen OS Open Beta 11 and you didn't install the Oxygen OS Open Beta 12 because I told you so and you didn't want to remove and tweak your phone, now it's the best time for you to get Oxygen OS Open Beta 13. And maybe in this video I said 20 times Oxygen Open Beta, so it kind of like trickled my tongue and mouth. And yeah, you know what? I told you I'm gonna be speeding up the video, but maybe not needed because 153 megabytes, yeah, let's see, not a lot, right? Probably there are some other things inside the update that we kind of don't know. I cannot tell you guys, My favorite changelog is anyway all the time is like, bug fixed. So whenever you see, random bug fix, just know that developers had many hours spent in having fun together doing this. Okay, but with that said, yeah, if you are just implementing the Oxygen Open Beta 13, yeah, just know system optimized the volume adjustments to improve the user experience, added the missing recording icon in the call screen, updated to the latest security patch, fix known issues and improve stability. Again, this is really like the favorite line. What the hell does this mean? Alright, but yeah, we know. Then we have phone, added the ringtone duration in from missed calls. This is very handy, guys. If somebody calls you, you don't want to pick up, then you can see how many seconds this guy or this lady persisted of you picking up your phone. Of course, you didn't pick the phone. Now you can switch your mobile data on phone call, supported with VoLTE. Right, never was able to test this anyway. And by the way, speaking about VoLTE, if you want to implement VoLTE on your phone, then check my guide. It's a very nice guide. Camera added a new feature. Yeah, finally we have some artificial intelligence in the camera letting us know when the camera lens is dirty and we need to clean it up. Guys, I'm gonna be updating also the link now in this video, so that again you're able to just boom, download it and go with that. We're just going to wait a little bit more to reboot the phone and see, hopefully, yeah, you know what? It's almost there, guys. That was very quick, but again, it's not a very big update. So let's see. I just rebooted the phone, guys. And now I just want to go here and just see about the phone. Wow, what do we have here? OpenBeta 13. Alright, and just guys, just want to see also the security updates, because you know on my Samsung phone I already made patch security status. You know, security update is still the 1st of April. And that's weird, right? Because I mean, yeah, they could have at least put there the May update, but they didn't. Alright guys, and yeah, with that said, you know, this has been the OS Oxygen OpenBeta 1.3.13. VST over and bye.